Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to match the graph of a parabola to its equation. So what we're going to try to do here is use some information that's embedded in the equation 41x plus 6y squared is equal to 12. Now I don't like the way it's written. What I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it for x. And the reason why I'm solving for x is because the y is squared. So I don't want, so I'm going to have an x equals something of y. All right, so in order to solve it for x, first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6y from both sides, or 6y squared, I should say. And so that's going to give me 41x is equal to negative 6y squared plus 12. Then I want to divide by 41. Divide by 41. And here you might be thinking, ooh, that's not going to be fun to do. But let's just do this, and let's see what happens. Let's go negative 6 over 41 times y squared plus 12 over 41. Now, the reason there's a method to my madness. Just bear with me here. So there is some information that we have. For example, we know that this is going to be our so this is going to be our x-intercept because of something else. So this is the x-intercept. The other thing that's kind of useful to know is that since it's a y-squared parabola, specifically a negative y-squared parabola, it's got to be going this general direction. And so as a result, f, d, and e cannot be possible answers. And so what I want to do is look for something that has an x-intercept that is 12 over 41. Well, if we reduce that a little bit, or to kind of like do some estimating here, 12 and 40, we're getting kind of close to, let's just say that's like, maybe we could say that's 10 over 40. And so we're looking at something that's like about 1/4, give or take. And so let's see what has a y-intercept of about 1/4. Well, this one has a y-intercept that's about 5.5, so cannot be that one. This one has a y-intercept that's at the origin, so it can't be that one. And this one, it's not on the origin, it's close. It looks like it might be about 1/4. And so it's just kind of using some estimation there. It fits a lot of the parameters that we have without having to go any further. We know that it's a negative y squared parabola, so it's got to go this general direction. And it's got the y-intercept. It's the best option based off of the y-intercept. So therefore, A is the graph that matches up with the original equation.